The South Korean court ruled that the Volkswagen Group, responsible for fabricating emission reports on its diesel vehicles, should pay Volkswagen buyers 10% of their vehicle purchase prices in damage compensation. This is the first Korean court's ruling on the so-called Dieselgate that erupted back in 2015. This ruling is also expected to leave far-reaching impacts on dozens of similar ongoing lawsuits.
The so-called Dieselgate refers to the 2015 incident when the Volkswagen Group was found to have manipulated the diesel vehicle emission tests. The South Korean court handed down its first ruling that recognized the German company's responsibility to pay out damage compensations. The court ruled that the firm should compensate Volkswagen and Audi buyers with a portion of vehicle purchase prices.
해당 차량을 제작하고 수입, 판매한 회사들이 차량 매매 대금의 10% 상당액을 구매자들에게 배상해야 한다고 판단했습니다.
The judges determined that the manufacturer, Volkswagen Group, is responsible for inducing car purchases with its false and exaggerated ads that use terms like eco-friendly diesel vehicles. Vehicle importers and dealers must also provide compensations because they are obligated to provide warranty service for the vehicles with manipulated emission test results. However, the court limited the compensation amount to 10% of the car purchase prices, as the manipulation was not serious enough to demand the total purchase price or nullify the purchases. Volkswagen Group argued that they don't have to pay damage compensation since consumer losses have been restored through recalls. But the court didn't accept the argument. Because the court allowed provisional execution, plaintiffs stand to receive between 1.5 and 5.8 million won per person, even before the court ruling becomes final. The compensation amount varies depending on the car model and excludes interest.
자동차 관련 대규모 집단 소송 승소 판결을 난 게 사실상 첫 번째이기 때문에 그러한 랜드마크적인 판결의 의미가 있다 이렇게 생각을 하고요.
The latest court decision is expected to leave far-reaching impacts on dozens of other lawsuits linked to falsified diesel vehicle emission reports.